two things that a citrus fruit will look like. Number one, doesn't it look like lungs? That's what citrus is great for. So you got a lot of mucus, right? So how do you, instead of taking a Zyrtec, Claritin, and so forth, there are natural antihistamines. So if you eat the pith, the white part, the stringy part in a citrus, that part actually dissolves phlegm. It dissolves mucus. In addition, you can also take the peel. Well, in Asian culture, what we do is we dry it. So we just leave it outside, it dries, and you can make tea out of it.
Yeah.
Or we cook it with food. Citrus peel actually is a Chinese herb. And what do we use it for? To dissolve mucus. And I'll add one more thing about citrus, because when you cut open, it also looks like another thing, another organ, so to speak. It looks like the breast. So a citrus can also help with breast health.